Control your pets, people.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
He walked into this man's home.
Yes. Is that you?
There's a doorbell. Need a package here. Do not enter my home.
I didn't realize.
No.
I apologize.
There's a number right here in the window. I already reported you to your office, and you've done it again.
Sir, I apologize. I realized I was in your house after the fact.
The last guy jiggled my door handle on the slot. Why would you not think that this is a front door? Because there's a deadbolt.
It said 3, sir, and I didn't understand because...
It doesn't matter if it says 3.
I apologize. I'm very sorry. I will never do it again.
This is the second time.
I know, but it wasn't me. I apologize. Well,
I've been a delivery driver since 2015. Never have I tried opening somebody's door.
I didn't realize it was your door.
The last time, my 14-year-old daughter was here by herself.
I was just trying to get it out of
I would be calling corporate again.
Okay. I apologize, sir.
Watch out for flying birds.
Be careful, there's a magpie in the close.
Oh fuck, is there? Oh, no again. They come all the time, and you need to try and get a shoebox and try and get it out. Thanks so much. Thank
Please
you.
leave the parcel outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What?
It's in your house.
Shut up.
It's in your house.
Is it?
Aye.
Russell, it's fine. Russell, it's fine. It's fine. Come on into the room, Pons. It's okay, Daniel. Get it.
You're alright. You're alright.
Bobby, I'm going to get it. It's okay.
You're alright. You're loving him with that box. They're all screaming.
Sorry, thank you.
No, Paul, you're alright. Nicole,
What?
I need a box or something.
Bobby, I'll get one.
Fucking hell, man. It's in that living room.
Right.
You need to open the doors or something. Who fucking...
When solicitors decide to ring twice,
Just following up with the notices that you guys get on the Edison.
I'm so not interested. Thank you so much for
No worries.
calling.
Just make sure you keep the notice.
Get the fuck off my porch right now! How dare you knock on this fucking door again?
What?
You ignorant fucking asshole! Get off my property right now!
Cool.
Get off my property right now!
Yeah, no
you
way.
ignorant fucking fat piece of shit! Get the fuck off my porch right now!
You have a flag.
Leave! You
he arrived at the wrong home.
Alright, it's fucking hot. Oh my god, I'm at the wrong house. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Please ignore that ring doorbell message.
No problem.
When your dad finds out you've been attacked by dogs,
Hey, what's up? What? Get her the fuck out of there! Hey, now I'm going to come and kill. Jake, come with me! Jake, shut the garage door. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go!
Dad, stop!
Let's go, shut the garage door, come on!
Dad,
Come
stop!
on, let's go, shut the garage door now!
Dad, stop!
Shut the garage door, like I said, come
Talk
on!
to me! No, you don't get it.
Come with me!
Dad, no, Dad, stop! Dad.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Stay safe out there, folks.
My dad's trying to kill me! Help! 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 He's trying to kill me! He's trying to kill me! Hello? My dad's trying to kill me! My dad's trying to kill me! Please don't! Please! My dad's trying to kill me! Please help me! My dad's trying to kill me! Please come! Please come now! He's trying to kill me! He just said he's gonna take a broomstick and beat my behind! He's trying to kill me with the gun! Help! 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 Help!
The dog wanted to show off his trophy.
No.
She was angry over a parking spot. Their birthday card was stolen from their door.
It's too early to laugh this hard.
He got there just in time.
Oh my God. Drop whatever you have in there. Okay? Yeah. All right? Yeah. You okay? Yes. Okay. What do you have in there? My wallet? Where's it at? The wallet?
I don't think he gets paid enough for all this. How long do you think he stayed on the truck? She's feeding more than just delivery drivers. She got her car stolen.
Somebody stole my car.
Do you know him?
No.
They stole her car.
Oh, somebody stole my car.
How about this for timing?
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available with 22 kilograms.
No need for this.
Charlie, come here. Charlie, come here. Charlie, shh.
I know the DoorDash driver was confused.
No food! No food! No food! No! 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 No!
Well, that's not annoying, brother.
No food! No food! One house!
Thank you.
One house!
Josh, what's wrong with you?
Okay? Stop.
My bad.
Thank you,
You
Dad.
cannot do
Thank
stuff
you.
like that. Kotorete, are you not allowed to do stuff like that? It is. Non, but la fe moun nan pe. Son delivery moun nan vin fe.
More annoying shit the neighbor does that's not needed. Wait till the end.
Just watch this.
Neighbor was in my backyard, so right here you see my husband trying to lock our gate.
It's funny how they put all their shit on her side. No, this is my fence. You can't put stuff on my fence.
They delivered to the wrong area of the home.
Excuse me. Hello? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you leave the packages on the porch? You can go right there. No, but don't do that. Don't do that. Crap. I just appreciate if you don't do that. Thank you.
This car pulled up to take pictures and leave. No solicitors allowed.
Nothing beats a jet to
I got you.
holiday.
Thank you for your
And
service,
right
by the
now,
way.
you can
Have
save
a good one.
£50 per person.
Accidents happen. He didn't calculate the space correctly. I guess they both have it on camera. Always keep your doors locked. They stole his fishing rod. Police were watching his home. They tried to steal his scooter. I know this hurt a little.
I'm so sorry, sir.
No, is he okay?
He's all right.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. As long as he's okay.
Someone's having a long day.
Address, bro. I should just take one photo for this house. I shouldn't have to take 2 to 3 photos per house. I shouldn't. This is ridiculous, bro. I'm not gonna finish this fucking route because of this shit. God damn.
He forgot his dog on the porch. Mailman versus dog. Some people have nothing better to do. Don't trust strangers at your door.
What do you want?
My phone.
Yeah, I know that trick. I got you on camera already. Baby, call 911.
Okay. They said they called the police.
I've seen this before, but never really knew what they was up to.
Want to see?
He was caught peeping through the windows.
Get out of the backyard.
Coming in hot. He tried to break into this home. When lighting strikes,
Take it back there.
Hey, but, brothers, they kept asking me at the birthday party if I liked them.
They did.
these aren't fireworks.
Daddy? Yeah. Amen.
When you realize you're caught on camera and have to return the food. Officers had an arrest to make.
You know where she lives at?
No, she moved. What you mean she have a warrant?
She has a warrant. They say she's been stealing.
Yeah. She know we're looking for her. We already talked to her.
She knows she has a warrant.
It just next thing from here, I mean, we're gonna go to her home address and the door gonna get kicked in. So we're trying to get her just turn herself in, make it easy. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all kicking in doors behind somebody stealing?
Yeah. Felony warrants? Yes.
He accidentally walked into the home.
Oh, sorry. Hello? Who's the man, Rodin? Hello? Oh my God.
They're at the wrong home.
Why would I have the key?
You don't live here?
No.
What? What the fuck are we doing here?
I don't know.
Are you serious?
Are you joking?
No, I'm being serious. Get off this random person's porch.
Don't miss a step.